In this video, I will show you how to use motion tracking on Capcut on PC. So the first step is to simply open Capcut and then create your project. Now the next step is to import your videos. So I'm gonna import this video right here that I just downloaded, and then you're gonna have to simply click on the plus button to add it to your track. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply duplicate this video. So I'm gonna duplicate it, and then you're gonna have to make sure that this is aligned to your other video. So this is the base and this is the duplicated. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on tracking here in the top right corner, and as you can see you have the option to use motion tracking. Now here you have direction, so you can choose forward, backward, or both. And as you can see, scale, so follow tracking object, and then distance follow tracking object. So you can play around with the settings. So I'm gonna follow this guy right here, so I'm gonna move it like this, and basically you're gonna have to simply click on start. Now the AI will do the rest for us. So as you can see right here, wherever this moves, the camera will follow. So basically this is how you can use motion tracking in Capcut PC. Of course, you're gonna have to make sure to tweak this, and of course, it's gonna depend on the video and everything, because as you can see, I'm using a random video, so this will be much harder to track. So basically, that's all you have to do. So after this loads up, you're gonna have your result. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.